during a fierce summer storm. A tiny sparrow chick was swept from its nest on a tall oak tree. Alone and shivering, it landed on the unfamiliar shingles of a nearby roof, until it met a curious calico cat, a wise old owl, and a playful squirrel. These unlikely new friends formed a team, protecting it from the pouring rain and the gusting wind. And when its mother finally landed softly on the roof's edge, their reunion was more than a moment. It was a miracle made possible by the kindness of unexpected rooftop guardians.